There are many ways to minimize the chance of your bike being stolen. Here are some practical tips to avoid it. These are the top 10 advice to protect your bike. Use multiple locks. Thieves are less likely to carry multiple tools. Locking multiple parts of the bike. When securing your bike, lock the frame of the bike and both wheels to a secure stand. Take removable parts with you. It can help your bike be less of a target. Parking your bike in crowded, well-lit and places surveilled by CCTV or secure parking space that requires you to pay for parking will minimize exponentially the risk of your bike being stolen. Registering your frame number and having a picture is better for it to be recovered by the police and could be returned without a hassle. If your bicycle is easily identifiable, such as having a specific color that is not popular, or you have it securely marked, will be visible for thieves. Check ownership. When purchasing a bicycle second-hand, ask for proof of ownership. This will decrease the need and reason for people to steal. If your bike is stolen, report it as soon as possible having the details, such as bike registration, picture, or any details available. Don't leave your bike for too long in the same place. Parking your bike in public in the same place for too long can also alert thieves which bike would be easier to steal. Using both or none of the following can also determine or make it easier to find and locate your bike.